Hello there, birders. Do you know these symbolic American birds? Sorry, but if you don't know this one, you're getting deported. If you've ever seen a Christmas card, then you know this bird. If you grew up anywhere near a field, then you've probably seen this bird, sitting on fence posts and mailboxes. Once nearly extinct, this bird is one of the rarest in North America. Thank you for participating in this short quiz. Remember to subscribe, like, and click the notification button to get more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.